Welcome back to Big Boss Case Cookies and Candy. I have got my cheesy chicken casserole out of the oven. It's very hot. I've already put some in a bowl for me, and I'm going to, I made this cheesy chicken casserole this morning on video, so if you didn't watch it, you can go back and watch it. I will be putting the recipe on here after I finish eating this. I'm going to try this. I've never had this before, but I've seen it on Facebook in several different videos. But thank you, Jesus. That is very good. Very good. If you like cheese and you like taco flavored chicken, this is delicious. As y'all see, well, now I have my floor. You can see I put that jar of queso, a cheese dip on top of this. Now, the recipe actually called for just queso cheese, but I couldn't find it, so I just got the dip. And it works fine. It has a little more, it has a little more spice to it because that cheese dip had a little bit of peppers in it. So, it's very good. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it's very, very good. Now, I'll put on the recipe what I put in here. At 35 minutes, I removed the foil and cooked it some more. This is something I didn't tell you how to do. When I put that cheese on here, I went back and I was off camera, but I stirred that cheese in with the casserole. I will put that on the recipe. I stirred it. I stirred that cheese up in there. And so, and that helped thicken it up because I knew I put a little more chicken broth in there than what it called for, but I also knew that I didn't want it dry. And I don't know if y'all can tell, but this is not dry at all. Not at all. So I'm going to put on the recipe just like I fixed it. I did cook it another 5 minutes longer after I took the foil off. It was bubbling and it seemed to be maybe a little bit liquid. So I cooked it 5 more minutes longer. But I'll tell y'all on the video, on the recipe, just give me a few minutes. It takes me a while to type it, but I'll type the recipe for you. And this is just something, it really didn't, you seen it didn't take long to put this together at all. If you've got your chicken already cooked, or you don't even have to cook the chicken. If you put raw chicken in it, you do have to cook it longer. But I already have my chicken cooked and just put it together, and it's a very easy casserole. And if you like Mexican dishes, then you're gonna like this. So, thank y'all so much for jumping back on and seeing how this looked after I got it out of the oven. I have a dentist appointment in this afternoon, so I'm going to have to get ready for that. But y'all have a blessed evening, and don't forget to count your blessings. Love y'all. Bye-bye.